Hello, my name is Professor Cheryl Desha, and it is my pleasure to be recording this message of congratulations for the ISDE 20th anniversary. The International Society of Digital Earth has been a strong influence in my life since 2015, proving for me that it really is all about the people making a difference. Knowing other kind and generous human beings who are passionate about the future, a sustainable future, has been a really energizing experience for me that has been a highlight of my last decade. In 2015, I was introduced to Zafar Mohammed Gauss through Richard Simpson and Tim Forsman around the time of the Pivotal Summit in Brisbane. Through their generosity, these colleagues introduced me to Professor Wang, Professor Gore, Alessandro Annoni, Massimo Craglia, more of the ISDE Council team, and of course, the folk from the European Joint Research Centre, and also Professor Fukui from Chubu University. I was then honoured to be invited to join the Council as a member, providing a research perspective from Australia through Griffith University, along with colleague and adjunct of Griffith, Lewis Perez-Mora. Over the last decade, the Australian chapter has been involved in many ISD adventures, including the various summits and symposia that have happened in the most amazing places and online around the planet. We contributed to the Australian story of how Digital Earth has grown within the fabulous and freely available Digital Earth Manual. Through the creation of working groups, it has also been an adventure to connect with the amazing Barbara Ryan from WGIC to form Working Group 2, Industry Engagement for Digital Earth. Over several online and in-person workshops with Working Group 4, Citizen Engagement and Empowerment with Sven, we have explored journeys for industry to connect with communities, co-designing as partners for positive change towards the Sustainable Development Goals. Our team has been exploring the use of remote, immersive collaboration with an idea to create a human web of decision support around the planet, connecting our researchers and industry experts in a 24/7 expert advisory environment dedicated to Digital Earth for Sustainable Development to address emergent and chronic planetary sustainability challenges. We've been able to work with Professor Fukui and Sugita Sensei and their team, bringing students to Japan for field trips and marveling at the Japanese ingenuity in problem solving for earthquakes, floods, and tsunamis. Alongside all of the amazing work that is showcased at the symposia, the online lectures, and the summits from colleagues around the world. Griffith University has also been exploring the use of digital twin technology and software to enable campus-wide management of people, and for me, particularly importantly, disaster management and emergency response. We really appreciate Bentley software support in this regard, and they're also connected to WGIC, a really great example of industry addressing community needs and working with students for collaborative co-design. Recently, Lewis and I were able to join the paper Digital Earth, Yesterday, Today and Tomorrow, which provided another opportunity for us to reflect on what's happened over the last 20 years and what could be possible going forward. We are excited by the many technological tools that are available to help problem solve the huge planetary challenges in front of us. We're also excited by the growing network, including our youth stream of Digital Earth colleagues around the world who are passionate about using data for good. I'm also excited by the power of storytelling to live, learn, and connect with each other across the geographical boundaries and nations that surround our planet, appreciating that everything is connected and where is critical. I'm recording here today from Meanjin, Brisbane, in Queensland, Australia. But my mind is often somewhere else, perhaps somewhere around the moon, looking in at planet Earth, which is so rare and special. Appreciating there is no planet B for somewhere else to live. I'm grateful for the power of Digital Earth and ISDE to remind me and us collectively that the future is in our hands. If not us, then who? Let's contribute to make a difference for us, our children, and the many generations in front of us. Congratulations to the ISDE team on this 20-year anniversary, and bring on the next decade.